Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. Let me introduce myself. My name is Pandru Saputra from class Science 7, and in here I will make pudding dessert Oreo. So let's do it. Okay, ingredients and tools. 1 to Ultramilk 250 milliliters, 2 chocolate milk pudding Nutrijel. Yeah, this. And 3 sweetened condensed milk Frisian Flag. 4 is cheese prochiz. Yeah, is. And 5 cornstarch Maizenaku. 6 Oreo or biscuits. 7 500 milliliter water, 8 pots and some malt, and 9 cheese grater. Add 500 milliliter of water into pots, like this. And then put the milk, pudding, chocolate in the pots and mix well. Cook while stirring until it boils. Pour into mold and cool. Okay, this is pudding chocolate. So let's make dessert. Pour 2 Ultramilk 250 milliliters. So the amount is 500 milliliters. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add 2.5 tablespoons of cornstarch, Maizenaku. Grate the cheese with a cheese grater, so be careful. Add 1 sachet of sweetened condensed milk, Frisian Flag, into pots. Cook and while stirring until it boils again. Pour into mold and cool. This is to mold, right? Wow, this is very good. Also, you can pour into big mold and cool, like this. Cut into piece and Oreo powder, then put in the mold, like this. And I have 3 mold. Put it in the refrigerator and wait 10 or 15 minutes. Wow, this is very good. The last pudding dessert Oreo is ready to be enjoyed. Let's eat.